What's up? Hello mga ka-Ilonggo. I am Jude, the Ilonggo Wanderer. For today's video, we will try one of the best restaurants diri sa Pakse City in Laos, PDR. Luli Lula, and they are specialized in Sukiyaki. It's like a Japanese cuisine. Join me as we embark the food, the travel, and the people, knowing more the people here in Laos, PDR, Pakse province. So let's go.
Then I will ride in your motorbike.
Where are we going?
Dito ka na lang.
Sukiyaki!
Anong store kuya yung pangalan?
Luli Lula.
Luli Lula. So sasakay ako ngayon sa kay Sulian. Ito siya oh. Hi bro. Ooh. We're going to Luli Lula. Bye for now. Ooh.
Many tic-tacs later.
Na kami. No traffic at all. Diyan kami pupunta. Diyan. Thanks bro. Pasok na kami oh. Luli Lula. Sabay di Ton Lane. Hi.
Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling.
Bopet, not spicy.
Nag-order kami ngayon.
Bopet, busay pa umpong.
Ano kuya yung bopet busay pa ulit?
Wag manghang, walang cilantro. Bopet, not spicy.
Bye. Order muna kami. Bye. Just like that.
Chicken noodle soup, salt on the side.
Yung mga kasama ko sa video, gusto kong i-introduce sila sa inyo isa-isa, one by one. Hi Sam! Hi Sam! Chuyo! Hi Sam! Chuyo!
Gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
And Sisu. Hi Su!
Mabuhay!
Wow! Magaling mag-Pilipino.
At kung ikaw ay nakatawa, ako pa ba ay nakikita?
Ito yung pinakagwapo sa lahat oh. Hello! This is Kuya Joshua. Hi Kuya!
Hello, kamusta kayo dyan? Kakain na kami, gutom na.
Pa-shoutout naman sa asawa mo at anak.
Shoutout sa mga asawa.
Ang mga asawa, ilan yung asawa mo? Alas.
Shoutout dyan sa Pilipinas.
Sa ilang serving dire, kung makita nyo amon yung permit araw na. Hindi gid. Hindi talaga mawawala yung mahiwagang chopstick.
Nice.
Yan. Ayan. Can you raise your chopsticks? Som, raise your chopstick. Yan. Yan, ito, yung chopstick nila. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung parang maliit na kutsarita. Parang maliit na sandok. Ayan, tingnan. At this is my favorite. This is my favorite, this one. Peanut sauce. Ayan. Peanut sauce. Then, baboy, pork. Iba't ibang parte ng baboy. What is pork in Pasalao? Mu. 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 ipasalaw mo. Ito na. Yan. May pa utan-utan. Cabbage. Then may ito.
Carrot.
May noodle. Instant. At may pabihon. May pabihon. Ayan.
May
At
pabihon si Mayor. Ay, itlog.
Mimix sila ng sauce nila. Yan. Si Sulian na yan mag-try. Ayan. What is that?
Chili.
Chili. Tapos, garlic. Okay. Tapos,
The last, some
lemon. Squeeze the lemon and you mix. Ito na. Nilagay na nila. Ayan. Okay, ready na.
May iwagang lutuan. Gutom na ako. Gutom na, gid.
May pasabaw. Some Savan is very famous here in Pakse. So,
One of the owner.
yeah, the owner of Pakse City. And also that guy.
No, Suk is the owner of Champasa province.
Yeah.
The owner. How about that guy?
Oh, that's not related to anyone. Lagay man ng ganito, mag-ihaw-ihaw man tayo.
Okay. Ayan. Medyo hindi pa madami yung tao. Kami pa lang. Ayan, tinitingnan nila ako bakit binubidyoan ko yung sarili ko. Ayan, kumakain na kami. So ngayon, bagong sahod kami. Kaya, kami ay nagluli-lula. Ayan, tingnan nyo. So basically, mga in a month, around 3 or 4 times. Yeah, 3 or 4 times kami kumakain. So isa ito sa pinaka-famous na restaurant in Pakse. Kaya punta na kayo dito. Ayan.
มันมี2 YouTuber เขาไปติดตามนั่นแหละ
Ay, ito yung server namin.
2ยังเนี่ยเขาไปติดตามนั่นแหละ
Ayan.
he asked for your channel he will subscribe
Ilonggo Wonder.
Huh?
It's difficult to pronounce.
Show it.
Yeah.
I'll show. Sarap na sarap si Sito ko. Delicious. Oh, yan oh. Tapos ito. Sausa mo dito yung baboy sa peanut sauce. Then, delicious.
Namit.
Ang cabbage, ito. Yung dip. Then, okay. Kain tayo. Bye. What can you say? Delicious?
Namit.
Nami. Đẹp rồi.
Tayo. Kasi hindi na ako makakain. Titingnan nyo. Cabbage. Carrots. May kaunting noodle. Then ito yung itlog.
Saan?
Ayan. Tapos, ito. Yan. Diba? Then, you dip with the peanut sauce. And I eat. Wrap. Cabbage. May dahon-dahon. May dahon-dahon.
One eternity later.
So, siya yung magbabayad. Ito yung boss namin. Our boss. Give to our boss.
So sad. $130,000.
Hindi nagbayad, tumakbo lang. Grabe siya, oh. Grabe siya, oh. Iniwan kami. Ayan, oh.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
Sino magbabayad doon? Who will pay
Ayan.
for Sulian?
Our boss. Here, our boss. Ito.
Song will pay for Sulian.
Ayan, nag-aaway na kung sino magbabayad. We are now arguing. Who will pay?
Sulian, you pay. It's my money.
130,000. Wow!
Don't worry.
Good na pinsel. Good na pinsel.
Ayan. Ito yung table namin. Inulan, binagyohan. Ayan. Bye!
Jude, you want to try?
Yeah. Just one.
Hindi pa pala kami tapos. After we eat sukiyaki, andito na naman kami sa ihawan nila. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Namimili.
Biko, Pink Chin.
Yeah. Kaon na naman.
Parang like from mushroom. After yung ihaw, nilalagyan ng sauce. Ayan. Sabay. Ito, kakain kami ulit. Ayan. Kapchay lalay. Wow!
What is that?
Ayoko.
Lasang Bombay.
Ha?
Lasang Bombay. Tikman mo.
Bombay daw sabi ko yun.
Yeah.
Tastes like that.
So, long mo. What happened, Mr.
Just little, but not so spicy.
Mag-aas ng additional sauce para mas masarap daw. Ayan.
So, bago lang gid kami bago lang gid ako nakaabot dito sa room. I'm now in my room and yeah, the food is very satisfying. If you want to enjoy a good restaurant with a good ambiance, I would suggest that you come and try visit Luli Lula in Pakse City, Champasak Province. Please continue to subscribe and watch to my channel. I am Jude, the Ilonggo Wanderer. See you next time in my next video.